Hello, good day everyone. So I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update the iOS app on store. So for that, you just need to you just need to keep four things in your mind. One, your bundle identifier. Second, your build number, and third, your version number. And the fourth one is to make to one second. Fourth one is just to make a new app on your current app in your current app. So for example, sorry, the okay. So let's suppose I just want to update this app. Just click on this app. What's wrong with you? Okay, so it's open. I'm sorry, my Xcode is building the you know IPA, so that's why my laptop is a bit slow. So once you will click this app, whatever app you want to update, whatever you app you want to update, sorry. So just click this plus button. Once you will click this plus button, it will ask you for the wire number. Just give 1.1 or whatever you want to give the wire number. Just create. So okay. So your new version will be created here, and it will automatically fetch all of your screenshots and everything from the previous version. Now if you want to update your screenshots, or then you can just simply delete the screenshots and update new ones. But if you think it's all good, then just keep it like this. Now if you want to add your descriptions, you can add those. This one is very important. You have to tell them why you are updating this version or what's new. So right now I'm just gonna say bugs fixed, and after that I will click save. And here, once we will make a build, the build will come here. So from where to get your app bundle? Okay, let me show you. Right now I am updating this SkySoul app, SkySoul. So for that I have already fixed up the stuff like I showed you just now. Okay, I'm gonna click this. I'm sorry, this is the laptop is behaving really weird because it's right now it's having too much load. Okay, so I have already created this 1.1 version, and I have already uh, said tell them I am fixing bugs. So from where you will get this bundle identifier, this one com.skysol.io. Just come to the app information, and from here you can just get this bundle identifier, and you can copy this bundle identifier here. Okay, so the other thing you have to keep in mind, you should use the same developer account you used before. So how I'm having these developer accounts here, I just have to Xcode settings, and after that you can click this plus sign option, Apple ID, and here you can add your Apple developer account email, and then it will ask you for password. And once it will be login, your account will be shown here, and then you can easily click your account. Normally the once you update your app, it will automatically fetch this and the developer account name. And yeah, that's all. So after that we will choose this any iOS device from here, drop down, and then after choosing this, just click product, archive. So once we will click archive, it will just start building our IPA. So it's building our IPA right now. Uh, Let it just finish the IPA, then I will show you how to upload that IPA on our app store so that we can push all the changes in our app to the store or to the latest version. So let's just wait for it. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes for you. In my case, it's taking it took like around 7 minutes, and it's still here. It's still building the IPA because my laptop specs is very slow, very how to say, very low. So that's why maybe it's just building it slow. So that's the whole procedure how to update your current iOS app on store. Let me repeat for you. First, you have to choose the team on which account you are updating your app. Second, you have to choose your bundle identifier. You can get your bundle identifier from here in app information under bundle ID. Then you have to click general, and then you have to click this build, change this build to the higher number. If you were using 1 before, you have to change it to 2. If you were using 2 before, you have to change it to 3. Similarly, if you are using 4, then 5, so on. For version, if you were using 1.0, then do it, make it higher, 1.1 or 2.1 or whatever you want it to be. And then third, choose any iOS device by clicking here, and then product, archive. And once it will start building the app, you just have to wait for it to finish the build. And until then, you can just create your new version on store like I showed you in this video before. You would be able to see the plus sign option here. Click that plus sign option and then give the version name 1.1. Then it will show you this new version with same screenshots and everything. You can change whatever you want to. If you want to change your app name, then just come here on app information, then just change your app name. If you want to change the subtitle is basically the basically showed up on under our app name on Apple Store. So I don't want to change anything. I fixed few bugs in my app, and I just made the build. Now it's almost ready, and in next 1 to 2 minutes we are gonna push this build to App Store and gonna submit the new version for review. And hopefully, if everything goes well, Apple make your version live in just 12 hours. So let's see how long it's gonna take more. Just be patient with me. I'm sorry it's taking a bit long, but that's not in my hand. I was just updating one app, so I thought I should make a video. Okay, this build is succeeded. It will show you like this. Okay, now let's say you cut it down by mistake. Where to find that build? Just click window, then organizer, and you will be able to see it. Now distribute app, click this one. Then click distribute, and it will prepare and start uploading your app on Apple Store. So it's gonna take, I guess, 1 to 2 minutes to complete the whole process by checking your account, fetching your app record, and fetching the version of your app, then options, checking everything, and after verification, it's gonna just upload your app on store. Sorry, I'm not feeling well, due to which my voice is not really clear. So it's just fetching and preparing everything for you. This is the beauty of Xcode. See, okay, it's processing right now. Yes, everything going great. Started uploading, packaging. Okay, those of you who are having previous version of Xcode, the process will be a bit different. That is already explained in my previous videos. So how to update the app on Apple Store. So, but from like everything should be same. If you have experience in that, then you can update your iOS app from any Xcode version now after watching this video. So everything is same. Just in the previous versions, you just have to click next, click distribute app, then click next, and upload. That's all, and you will be able to see this screen. But in this new version, they have made the things easy. So we just have to click one time next, so it will do everything for us. Okay, so I think in next 1 minute, hopefully, our build will be on the store. Let's wait for it. Okay, okay, about 3 seconds remaining. And finally, great. Okay, it's saying our build has been uploaded. 1.1 build tool version 2. Click done. Click delete to just clear your space. Just Control C, quit, so that your laptop can get relaxed. And now just click test flight and check either we are having our build or not. Yes, we are having our build. So it's processing right now. It will take some time to get processed, and once it will be ready, it will be something like this. Mm, something like this. Okay, I just don't want to confuse you. Once it will be ready, we will be able to see the plus sign option. So I recommend you to keep refreshing your page. Let's check again, test flight. Okay, sometimes it takes like 5 minutes, and sometimes in 2 minutes it will just process your build. So after this process will get complete, we have to do just 2 more steps, and then our app will be submitted to App Store. So you guys can forward the video if you guys can until this processing get complete, so that you guys can save your time, because I'm just gonna wait for the build. Still processing it. Hopefully in next 1 minute it will be done. Let's refresh it again. Okay, now our build is ready. Click this plus sign. I did not do anything after uploading the build on store. I was just refreshing it. It just took its time and ready. Okay, if you want to manage from here, you can just click manage. Otherwise, just simply refresh your app store page, and you can choose the plus sign option and click done. And from here you can just click manage, choose this, save, save, C2 1.1, add for review. Don't forget to tell this what's new in this version. Okay, submit to app review. And finally, our new version is submitted to app review. Thank you for watching. Just please keep supporting me if you want more content like this, and I will try my best to give you the more and more special videos on error solvings or on making apps and etc. Whatever videos you will like, you guys can just comment and tell me what kind of videos do you want me to make more for you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.